Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing. Welcome. Thank you so very much for joining me. This is the final of 3 weekends of a hard candy Christmas collab. This is the collaboration put on by Lynda's Crafty Doodas and Poopas and Craft Adventures with Susan Tootsie Tucker. This collaboration has been so fun. The first 2 weekends I made cards with candy theme, and today I made a journal. This could easily be a December daily. It might have a home by the time you see this, but if you're interested, let me know just in case. It has candy and gingerbread men, peppermint sticks, cookies. Look, I need more cookies. The cover is a nice thick piece of authentique with their little bit of texture, and I've sewed it together with waxed linen thread. And on the inside, you're going to see some familiar embellishments and some new candy ones. So I have my die-cut candies and some nice sparkle. And I didn't worry about the different reds. I just used them all and brought in all the candy I could. Then look at this adorable candy paper. It's all hard candies and those ribbon candies. And then I put candy canes on the top of it. And then big striped hard candies here. And they have a big candy cane and candy cane here. And then this one kind of reminds me of those ribbon candies, which I think was part of the design. It's from the same collection. And some snow globes and some either tea or coffee dyed paper. I don't keep them separate. I think it's coffee because the color is more cream colored. Then more of that candy paper and a little tuck spot out of the candy sticks. Now, I haven't fully decorated this journal. It still has room for more embellishment, and it could be more candy or, you know, room for a December daily. I left things. Look at this page. I love it. Has a little red vellum envelope, and then I put a hard candy glitter sticker on there. And these are from totally different paper, but I thought they might be fun in here to chop up to use for December daily. It's nice to have the numbers, and they're very small scale for a smaller book. And then this is also a pocket right here. So you have this pocket and then this pocket, and then gingerbread houses with their little gumdrops and everything. Lots of candy variety in this one. Here I experimented. I had a stamp of a jar. I made some of those hard candies like I did on the other weeks, where I stamped them out, and I just used regular pigment ink, but I stamped quick and heat embossed it on the red to set it. And then I went back over it with glossy accents, and some of them have 2 layers. They're a little bit discolored, but by embossing that first layer, it held the red in better instead of letting it move around. I kind of like how that turned out. I inked the edges of the jar a little just to tone down the white. It was fun. I would do it again, but it took a long time to dry. I had to let it dry overnight because they were so thick. Then I have a pocket here and that little candy paper, and then a puffy sticker of a peppermint candy, and these are marshmallows. I've just got a lot of sugar in this book. It's a good book. The marshmallow paper I love. Then here I had a tiny scrap of that hard candy paper left that I used on cards and loved, and I put an enamel candy cane over it just to kind of anchor it and make that sticker pop a little better. And then joy. Everybody needs a little bit of joy. And Santa. And then here I put a candy cane in Santa's hand, and we have a tip out spot that's light enough to do some writing. You could just journal right there. And then more gingerbread houses and something that would pop open here you could staple to or glue to. It's just fun to have different sizes in your book. Then going down the other side, you're going to see the same papers, but you might see different embellishments. Here, I don't know. I just stuck them all on there. It was a candy themed journal. I just went a little crazy. And then this is just a piece of paper with some candy embellishments. There were a couple in some cut aparts, and so I popped those in there. And I use this as a tuck spot. It is a circle of mirror cardstock, a big snowflake, and then a candy embellishment and some snowflakes from the collection. And some puffy stickers of candy canes on that pocket. Not everyone gets as excited about it as I do about puffy stickers. And then I did another jar here. I was trying something. I colored this silver to give it like a ring, glued on different sizes. I like how it turned out okay. I maybe should have just left it. At first I had the 3 foil mirror cardstock ones in there. Maybe I should have just left it at that, but it was fun. And I think if you're gonna fill a jar, you shouldn't float them. You should make them sit on each other. I did the other jar second and I liked how it turned out better. Then here, it's just a cut apart from a paper collection and she has a candy cane and I stamped Life is Sweet on this paper. It almost looks like it came there. This also is a pocket and this was actual bulletin board border. This is the first time I've used it this way and left it. I typically die cut with it. I think my friend Noni picked it up at a garage sale or something. So it's amazing. It's thick. It has the curves on it already. And then I just put die cut candies in the curves of it. That's kind of a fun page and I haven't done one like that before at all. Just plain and then little gingerbread tuck spot up here. Just glued at the top and you can tuck something right under it. Probably shouldn't use the same exact paper there. Then a pocket in the back. So it is ready to get messy and have fun with. I really enjoyed working with the candy theme. I had so much fun borrowing my friend Noni's supplies and playing with the stamps and looking through the stickers and papers to see what I had that worked. All the candy canes in my collection surprised me a little bit. So I hope you enjoyed this collaboration. If this is the first video you've seen, be sure to go back and check out the first 2 weeks because there were all kinds of fun candy ideas. And in this collaboration, as long as it's candy themed, there aren't rules about what you make. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.